Hey y'all, listen. This is my delivery from Petals. UPS just dropped it off. This is my third order. My second order, I ordered 8 pink fairy shrub roses, but UPS delivered them 7 o'clock at night. And I think they sat on them because they were so squishy. But this is the pink fairy climber. I ordered them last year. I'll take you over there to see them in a minute. But this is the pink. Oh boy. Oh wow. Dang it. Oh, y'all. Oh wow. This is the climber. I love pink fairy. Oh, my favorite rose. I ordered 3 of these. These are gonna go in containers at the garage, in front of the garage. Oh. Y'all, look at that. I'm not gonna plant them today. I'm cold. We had frost the last 2 nights. We're not going to get frost tonight. Our overnight's going to be 36, 37. So I'm going to leave these out because they're super moist. You know how Petals is. Petals will moisten. They water good before they ship it. But I didn't make a video of the unboxing of the 8 pink fairy. I did not. Oh. Can y'all see that? Okay, wait. This is good stuff, y'all. This is good stuff. That's it. I just got 3 of the climbers. I have tall planters at the front of the house. And the driveway is 100% sun. The only shade in the driveway, honey, is the moonlight. Y'all, look at that. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. This is good stuff, y'all. I'm going to show you. I ordered the pink climbers last year. And you will not believe the growth that thing has put on. I didn't cut it. It's growing up the little trellis thingy. Ooh. All right, y'all. Okay, there she goes. Okay, so I'm going to have to water these. Not today. It's a little cool. It's still cool. But let me take you. Come on, let's go for a walk. Don't pay me no mind, honey. It's too cold. Oh, it's cold. Okay, let's go. Oh, this is, can y'all see it? Okay, this is the pink fairy from last year. And this is Clem. You always plant the clematis with your roses. It's the rule of thumb. You see, this is her. You see that? This is her. You see that? This is her. I have a pink Eden on that side. But you see, look. Can y'all see that? And this is the other one. And that's my catmint. I have a catmint with my climbing fairy from last year. You see that? You see that? This is from last year. Look at all the growth she put on. You see her? And I'm trying to grow them like this way. You see that? You see that? You see? You see how she's doing? The thing won't, I'm sorry y'all, I have to do it this way. And these are the pink fairy that I got. Okay. Can you see her? This one right there, catmint. I'm building up this flower bed area in this. And this is my pink petite pink scotch from last year. Okay, what are we doing? Okay, here I am. This is the fairy. I ordered 8 of them. And this is the petite that I got before. That's her. Can you see her? Is she? I can't turn the phone around. Okay, well that's her if you can see her. And her sisters are at the front door. Now come on, let's go to the front of the house. Okay. Yeah, see, look at look how healthy and all the new growth. And this is red creeping thyme. And I put her up there. I see her up there. And her sister is over here. You see her sister over here? Look how healthy. And you see her right there. And since we're at the front of the house, let me show you where the climbing pink fairies are gonna go. They're gonna go right here. They're gonna go in there. That's just my compost. You see that? You see? So they're gonna go. So I got 1, 2, 3 at the front of the house. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go back in the house. I'm cold. Bye.